Welcome. This video will guide you through connecting Stripe to your Squarespace site for seamless payment processing. Stripe enables secure online transactions, while Squarespace provides the platform. Integrating them allows you to accept payments, manage checkouts, and handle payouts efficiently without needing custom coding. As of December 2025, this integration is a robust and user-friendly solution, focusing on enhanced security and global compliance. To set up the connection between Squarespace and Stripe, you'll first need a Squarespace business or commerce plan. From your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the Commerce section and then select Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, you'll find various payment processor options, including Stripe for handling credit card payments. Click the Connect Stripe option to begin the integration process. Click Connect Stripe and follow the prompts to either log in to your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Once connected, Squarespace's Commerce 2.0 update ensures automatic PCI compliance for your Stripe integration, handling security requirements seamlessly. Squarespace generates dynamic checkout pages that seamlessly integrate Stripe's embedded forms, creating a professional payment experience for customers. Customers can securely enter their payment details directly on these checkout pages, with all sensitive information protected by Stripe's security measures. The checkout process supports convenient features like guest checkouts, allowing customers to purchase without creating an account, and includes abandoned cart recovery to help complete unfinished purchases. This multi-step checkout process guides customers through email entry, shipping details, payment options, and final purchase review, ensuring a complete and organized transaction flow. Stripe sends webhook notifications to Squarespace whenever a transaction status changes, such as successful payment or payment failure, allowing the platform to respond immediately. These notifications trigger automated actions, such as sending confirmation emails to customers, ensuring they receive immediate updates about their order status. Together, these elements create a smooth, professional checkout experience that builds customer trust and encourages successful transactions. Once connected, Stripe manages your fund transfers. You can schedule payouts daily, weekly, or manually to your linked bank account or Stripe balance. Be aware of Stripe's fees, typically 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the US. Stripe also supports multiple currencies, enabling you to sell globally. Ensure your Stripe account is verified with KYC checks to facilitate payouts. Security is paramount in payment processing. Stripe manages PCI DSS compliance, ensuring your site meets strict security standards for handling card data. SSL encryption protects data during transmission between customer and server, creating a secure connection. Tokenization replaces sensitive card information with unique tokens, preventing data theft while maintaining transaction functionality. Squarespace integrates real-time fraud detection, alerting you to suspicious activity before it affects your business. Stripe's API defaults to end-to-end encryption, securing all communication and data flows. Always ensure your Stripe account is fully verified with proper documentation to maintain compliance and protect both you and your customers. For advanced users, Stripe's API unlocks powerful customization options beyond basic integrations. This allows businesses to tailor payment processing to their specific needs. One key customization is integrating with inventory systems. Through Stripe's API, you can sync real-time stock updates. When a purchase completes, your inventory automatically adjusts, preventing overselling and ensuring accurate stock levels. Stripe's API also supports advanced promotional features. You can create and manage discount codes, seasonal offers, and loyalty programs. These integrate seamlessly with your Squarespace checkout, applying automatically during payment processing. For developers seeking flexibility, Squarespace's plugins support headless commerce. This decouples your site's front end from the back end, allowing custom user interfaces while still leveraging Stripe's robust payment processing through APIs. Finally, Stripe's 2025 Treasury tool, integrable with Squarespace, provides comprehensive financial management. It handles cash flow optimization, automated investments of payouts, and real-time financial insights, all accessible directly from your Squarespace dashboard. While the integration between Stripe and Squarespace is generally reliable for handling payments and payouts, occasional downtime can occur, as experienced during Stripe's global outages in Q2 2025. To mitigate potential downtime issues, it's wise to consider implementing a backup payment method alongside Stripe. This ensures your e-commerce site can continue processing transactions even during service interruptions. Always double-check that all your integration settings are correctly configured in both your Squarespace dashboard and Stripe account. Ensure your Stripe account is fully verified and in good standing to avoid any connectivity issues. Regularly monitor Stripe's official status page to stay informed about any reported outages, maintenance schedules, or service disruptions that might affect your integration. Keep an eye on future trends like AI-driven personalization in checkouts and expanded crypto support. Regulatory changes such as the EU's Digital Services Act may also impact integrations. Stay updated with both Stripe and Squarespace's official documentation and announcements to ensure your setup remains optimized and compliant. The trend leans towards frictionless commerce with more automated integrations.